subscribe to TechJoy and press the bell icon to receive some useful tech videos. Hello guys, I'm your buddy Parikshit Srimali, and in this video I'm not going to teach you anything, but I just want to warn you about something, and the thing is rooting of your Honor 8 Pro. Yes guys, if you are using Honor 8 Pro and if you are on EMUI 8.0, then before rooting your device, I want to make sure that some things, or I want to inform you something about that. The first of all, my question is, I want to root your Honor 8 Pro because it has a way better, beautiful user interface. You can also theme it, and also you can use it like iOS device because of its theming. And there are some bunch of features like scrolling screenshot. You can use simultaneously both windows at a time, and by ride mode, game mode, and many other features. But even though if you want to root that, I have found some a reason, like there is not an option for inbuilt call recording, so I just wanted to enable it. So that's the only reason, maybe not that's only reason I wanted to root, but the thing was I just wanted to root, so I did it on my device with Genfire Super SU. So the what had happened to my device now, guys? First of all, I had to format my device, so all the inbuilt apps like smart controller, Honor Health, all those were removed from the system. And now as you can see, there are minimalistic apps here, like you can see in the even in Google, those Word, Excel and PowerPoint application is not there. And if you go to this tools, there is not smart controller app here. So guys, I have searched everywhere, but on Google and on even in Huawei store or anywhere, I couldn't find those apps. Actually, I could find the app Huawei Health, which was available on Play Store, but I just want some of those apps to be installed in a system, but still that wasn't possible because let me show you here that I have downloaded these two apps to move user app to system app. So you can see guys that it is only showing all these apps, but if I would go to transfer any app to system, it will say me couldn't remount or system. Okay, actually there was another problem here, and it was even after busybox official busybox installation, it wasn't showing that busybox was installed. But then after I googled and I found this app, and I just installed it, and then after the problem of busybox was sort out. So guys, that was also a problem, but I sorted it out. And also this problem like not mounting system, so that is also an issue. And now let's talk about some user apps. Okay, first of all, let me clear you guys that now my Chrome browser, you can see guys, as a user app uh, because when I root my device and then after just I boot it, the when I open Chrome, it wasn't working well. Like if I just press this thing, then it just stuck to the screen and just taking loading and loading again and again, but nothing was happening. So then after I updated, I clear cache, I clear data, done all those things, but it couldn't make it. And then after I had to remove it from system, and again I had installed it as a user app, and then and only then it is working right now. So another thing which I was using before on EMU 8.0 Stockroom without routing was this application. And now you can see guys, if I search any word, it is showing just this screen here, nothing showing anything else. So guys, these are the some bugs I found. And actually uh, I loved the inbuilt app of smart controller, which I wasn't able to find anywhere. So So guys, because of this error in this application, which I wanted to move in system, this to remount system is rewritable. I had downloaded another app which was this mount system read only or as rewritable. So even after giving it as a super user permission, it will say you that you are not rooted user. So that was happened with this application. So it means, in short, you can see here that, see guys, I granting it here, but you can see your device may not be rooted, is not compatible. So guys, after rooting this device, I felt a little guilty because many amazing apps were removed, and the pure enjoyment which we were used to get by rooting our device in previous versions of Android is not available here, because you have seen here that I am not able to move the application in system directly. Yes, actually, I took help of Root Explorer, and by mounting system as rewritable, I was able to, you can see guys, this application, I was able to move it in a system. So these are some problems after rooting with Genfire Super SU and the PHS Super SU. And in PHS Super SU, you even you do not have option to remove to remove root and make clean unroot. So guys, if you want to root your device, then you should try with Majask and not with Super SU. So I'll also make video on that Majask, how to root your Honor 8 Pro with Majask. So don't forget to watch that. But before that, you must keep in mind that don't root your device with Super SU. So that's all guys for this video. Thank you.